Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a homemade tomato puree. Homemade tomato puree is really handy to have because you can make your curries, koftas and lots of other dishes in a jiffy when you have it ready in your kitchen. So without wasting any time, let me show you how to make it. So to begin making the tomato puree, I've cut the tomatoes into two halves and they have to be ripe and red tomatoes to make a nice rich tomato puree. Place all the tomatoes into the pressure cooker, pour some water, just a little bit, cover and cook for about 2 whistles. So after the first whistle, turn off the heat and allow the pressure to release naturally. Open the cooker and notice that the tomatoes are cooked really well. Now it's time to cool them. Transfer the cooked tomatoes into a pan and allow the tomatoes to cool completely. Once the tomatoes cool, we'll remove the skin and make them into a puree. Once the tomatoes are cooled down, peel the skin of the tomatoes and if required, cut the core. Place the tomatoes into the blender. Add any excess water if you want the tomato puree to be lighter. If you want it to be thicker, then don't add in the water. Once pureed, transfer to a jar and store in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 days and use it as required.